In this part, we are going to introduce the attribute selectors. By using the attribute selectors, we can select the elements based on the existence of the attributes or the values of the attributes. For example, you can see there are a few images, a few paragraphs, and also a few div, and also some links to the Excel or PDF files in this page. If we look at the index.html, we can see both paragraph and div has the attribute title. And if we want to select these attributes, we can go to the CSS and then we just add a square bracket and type title. And then we use a curly bracket and then we type border 5 pixels solid orange. Now you can see both paragraph and the div are circled by the orange borders. So how about if we just want to select the paragraph, and this is very easy. We just need to add the element, the p tag, right before the title, and then click save. Now you can see only the paragraph are selected. So the next thing is, if we just want to select the image that has the values of airport, then we can go to the styles and then we type photo equal to airport, and then we copy this and paste to here. Now you can see only the image of airport are circled by the orange borders. And now we have two cars, and if you look at the index, we can see they have the photos is equal to black cars and blue cars. So if we just want to select the attributes, the photo attribute has contained the car, this word. So what can we do is go to the styles. Instead of using the equal operators, we can use the tilde equal operators, and then we set car, and then we comment this. Now we save it. We can see these two cars are highlighted with this orange color, and we can also change this to $sign. A very common way is to use to select the href has end with .pdf. So by doing this, we can select these links that link to the PDF file. So if we save it, we can see only those download PDF is highlighted. But actually, in real case, we are not going to do this. We are going to add the icon before download PDF. So what can we do is, we can use the background and then URL. And then we have the pdf.png inside this project file. So we use pdf.png and then no repeat. Now we can see the icon already appeared. Now we just have to add some paddings, and we will talk more details about this later. Now we can see the icons is right before the download PDF and also has some space in between. And we can do it in similar factions by linking to the XLS file, because you can see some attributes is equal to .xls, and of course we are not going to use the pdf.png. We are going to use the excel.png. So now you can see if this is download Excel, it will has a Excel icon.